Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show how you can reset your Windows PC and you see the error message could not find the recovery environment. Don't worry. Here's how to fix it. First, open the search bar and type CMD. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. When the command prompt window opens, type the following command: reagentc/enable. Press Enter. If the command is successful, you'll see the message Operation Successful. Now try resetting your PC again. In most cases, this will fix the issue. But if the error still appears, you'll need to create a recovery drive. For that, plug in a USB flash drive, then go to the search bar again and type Create a Recovery Drive. In it, click Yes if prompted and follow the on-screen steps. This will back up your system recovery files to the USB drive. Once the recovery drive is created, you'll be able to use it to reset your computer without running into the error again. That's it. With these methods, you can easily fix the could not find the recovery environment error on Windows 11, as well as on Windows 10, 8, and even 7. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. For more tech tips, subscribe the channel and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.